Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Well, in today's video, I am participating in another collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Antonette at Antonette's Decorating and co-hosted by Jody at Southern Seasons. I also will leave their links as well as the playlist in my description box, so I encourage you all to go and show all these ladies some love because they are all very talented, and let them know that Felicia by the Seasons sent you over.
We could be good friends, yeah, we could be good friends. We could be good friends, we could be good friends.
At the beginning of this video, I showed you how I took a large wicker tray and added some green garland at the base of the tray. So now I am using this chair-like wall shelf as the anchoring piece for my vignette. Next, I am going to be adding this watering can. And I'm also going to add a miniature watering can and a flower pot. As you can see, as we travel through this video today, I will be making some changes throughout the duration of this vignette. So now I'm just adding some more of that green garland to fill up the empty space in the bottom of this tray. So now I'm just going to add this greenery into my watering can, and this greenery as well as the green garland both comes from my local Hobby Lobby store. So now I'm going to add some florals throughout this vignette, and if we're talking about a spring garden, we must have some beautiful flowers, right? So here I'm going to take some more of that greenery and I'm going to add it at the corner of my tray. I'm just kind of manipulating the pieces to get it just right. So here I'm just showing you that I have clipped those yellow florals that I showed you earlier. So I'm going to take each piece and place it throughout each corner of this tray. I used to be afraid to cut up my florals because I'm like, I might not be able to get any more. Have any of you ever felt like that? So here I have moved down to the other corners of my vignette, and then I'm just adding the same yellow florals on each corner. Now I am adding this soft lavender throughout the vignette. This is one of my favorite mushrooms that I love to decorate during the spring and summer seasons. Next, I'm going to add this adorable rabbit, and I'm going to place him in the center of this watering can. So here you see me making some adjustments to this vignette by moving this watering can and attaching it to the top of this chair shelf. So now I'm going to add a second rabbit into this vignette. I've added another flower pot and some carrots. Since this is a spring garden, I thought I would add in this flower pot with some more lavender, and I don't know whether I'm going to tilt it to the side or stand it up. I'm trying to decide. So now I'm adding some of this green moss to fill up that empty space next to my watering can. And I also added that moss into the flower pot with the lavender stems in as well. So I think this is going to complete my spring garden.
Without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. and I've always known what I want.
Right here, I added another watering can, and that is actually a watering can stake that I purchased from the Dollar Tree last year.
Used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open.
Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. And if you enjoyed this content, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family, just click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.